Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Ben from ShouldIGetIt.com. This is the Pioneer AVH-4500. It's a double-DIN wireless CarPlay and Android Auto system. It is installed here in a 2003 Chevy Tahoe, and I promise you it makes this car feel about 20 years newer. So if you're looking for a great wireless CarPlay system, this is what I would recommend for you. There are a lot of different options. You can check out my other videos, but in this video I'm going to walk you through the entire setup process, how it works, show you the actual screen in action, show you the response time, setup, etc. First thing I'm going to start with is the backup camera. So this does connect to a backup camera. You can see I throw the truck in reverse. We have the backup camera set up here, and what's nice is you can actually set up a second camera. So if you want to do a front camera as well, you can do that. You can see that if we go to settings here and we go into our camera settings, we actually have second camera input. It's currently turned off, but we can turn that on. So we can have a camera in the front, we can have a camera in the side mirror, we can have a camera wherever we want to run a camera from in the outside, and it can connect to the system. Of course, we care the most about CarPlay, so let's do that setup. Here I have my iPhone 13 Pro. We're going to wirelessly connect it. So I'm going to click the little Bluetooth icon here. In the top right, I'm going to click on connection and search for new phone. And on my phone, I'm going to go into Bluetooth settings, and you'll see within about 3 seconds, Ben's iPhone showed up. I'm going to click cancel, then select Ben's iPhone, and you'll see that it's going to ask, do I want to pair with this device? On my phone, I click yes. I will sync my contacts. On the Pioneer head unit, I hit yes, and that's it. It takes about 5 seconds to pair it, then it's going to realize that it can use CarPlay. Would you like to work with CarPlay or just Bluetooth connection? Yes, I want to use CarPlay. On my phone, it's going to ask me the same thing. Do you want to use CarPlay with the AVH-4500? Yes, I do. And in about 3, 2, 1, it's going to switch over to Apple CarPlay on this screen here. And there we are. So very, very simple connection. If you're worried about how to set it up, it's not that hard. Once you get it installed, which you can do yourself or have a shop do for you, it works really well. As you can see, the screen is fairly responsive. So right here, when I slide, you can see that it responds pretty well. It does have a little bit of a almost rubberized texture, so it's not super smooth glass, sort of like you're used to on your phone swiping through. So you do have to actually kind of press your finger into it and then slide. But it does work well, and it doesn't have too bad of a glare, which is nice. What's cool is that from here we can activate Siri in 2 ways. So we can, hello Siri,
hi there.
Hold down on the left corner, or we can also just speak. So, hey Siri, text Detective Dave, thank you for letting me make this video with your car.
Your message to Detective Dave says thank you for letting me make this video with your car. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
There you go. So now you can text hands-free. To show you the responsiveness speed, what I'm going to do is open Spotify. I'm going to mute the car, so you can see that I have steering wheel controls here, so I can bring volume up or down. I can also just hit this mute button here if I wanted. I'm going to put it on mute simply because I don't want to get a copyright strike from YouTube. But as you can see, if I go into playing music and then I open the Spotify app on my phone, you can see there the song is. If I fast forward, in real time, it updates. It has almost no lag, so you can see I can switch songs on my phone. Of course, I can also use the steering wheel controls. So I'm just going to click next song on the steering wheel here with the seek button. Or, of course, on the touchscreen, if I put my phone away or my phone is in my pocket, I can just do that here. So for Spotify, I can like songs. I can start new Spotify radio based on the song that I'm currently listening to, etc. We have a lot of different options there. What's nice also is if you slide all the way over to the side, you will get a view, which I'm going to cover with my finger, but you will get a view of a map. You will get a shortcut button. So I have mine set up to go home, and then I have also music here, and I can interact with any of them right there. So it's very nice. You can make phone calls from here. You can check what music's now playing. You have all your different apps on CarPlay, and CarPlay is just a fantastic system. If you're interested in it, I just want to show you this Pioneer head unit. Of course, we have volume control on the steering wheel, as I showed you. We also have volume buttons here, so I can click up or down. It's pretty responsive. And also, if you click this eject button, ejecto cedo cuz, click on the little disc, and we have a CD slot here. So you do actually have a CD and DVD drive. So if you want to play a movie, you can do it on this head unit. If you have a memory card with photos, videos, or music that you want to play, you can do that as well. But of course, me being me and you watching this video based on CarPlay, this is what you're interested in. Last but not least, it does have a USB extender that you can run either into the glove box, or you can run it into a little pocket like we have set up in the Tahoe, and then you can plug your iPhone or Android cable in like so. Then when I plug my phone in, you'll see that it's going to charge. So I plug it in just like a normal charger. In the top right corner, you'll see now my phone is charging, and we're all good to go. So that is the Pioneer 4500 unit. I just wanted to show you what it looks like, how it works. I think it's a pretty phenomenal system, especially because it works wirelessly, which is really nice. And that means when you get into your car, it'll just automatically turn on. So let me show you what I mean by that. When I turn the Tahoe off, the Pioneer unit stays on for a minute until I open the door. So I'm going to close the door. And then what I'm going to do is imagine I just got into the truck. I'm going to now plug my key into the side, turn it on. You'll see that the head unit will come on. So this is what it's actually like when you get into the car, right? You'll see that it's going to turn on. It takes a few seconds to load, maybe about 5 or 6 seconds, and then it'll automatically connect to my phone. So if you give it a minute here, you see it says Wi-Fi audio, format read, and it's connected to CarPlay. So now if I wanted to play music, I could hit now playing. I could go to my music and it's already playing. So if I had the volume turned up, you'd see the song is on, and that is the system. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Again, thanks to Dave who let me borrow his Tahoe to film this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. The link to this unit, this iPhone cable, is all linked below, even the pop socket that I use, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.